Alrighty all, welcome to another unboxing. I've just ordered this RC boat off of eBay. It's from Hong Kong. When I was looking to buy one, there was no reviews or anything on YouTube, so I thought I'd do one myself. If you type in mini RC boat, you pretty well get two different options to choose from. There's one which is dual propeller controlled, or this one's rudder controlled. Came from Hong Kong. You're looking around 14 Australian dollars, free postage and handling, so pretty cool. Let's check it out. Took a while to get here, but let's see if it's worth it. Okay. So the boat's pretty sick. It's tiny. It's good. You should be able to just use this in a standard bath or anything. It should be wicked. It's got a small aerial and oh, it's pretty fragile. I think there's two different frequencies, probably a standard 40 and 27, I think. And the controller, which feels pretty flimsy. But that's about it. I'm assuming batteries. Looks like it comes apart into two bits. You've just got the aerial on here. And it feels, I don't want to snap it in half, but oh yeah, just slides off into two pieces. And one's the controller, and the other one must be where you charge the boat on. Takes 4 AA's and 2 AA's, God. And then just a charging cord. It's also got stickers which are already on the boat anyway. So there's no need for them. And instructions in, oh no, we got English in there, so sweet, that's pretty well it. Yeah, let's give it a go. Okay, so I've just finished charging it. You just plug it straight in like so, straight through here, turn it on, this light comes on. I think it said it takes 8 minutes, it probably took about 8 minutes to fully charge it. And that should give you 4 minutes of runtime apparently. So just unplug it. Controller, got batteries in there now. There's no power button on here, you just turn it on at the boat. And moment of truth. If you can see it from down here. Perfect. That's it. That is awesome. Actually, for its size, it's silent. Turns reasonably sharp. It's got reverse. Definitely fits into its price range for sure. $14 isn't bad. I reckon with two, you'd probably have a bit of fun, just make a basic track. Oh, it's stuck on the wall. Alrighty, and that's it. So that is the review of the mini RC boat. Catch you later.